the candidates who will join us in the question and answer portion. The first finalist is candidate number 1.
Candidate number 1 is Mr. Kevin Baldonado, 17 years old student and taking up BS Tourism at the Lyceum of the Philippines, Laguna.
Candidate number 3.
Candidate number 3 is Edward Castro. He is 21 years old and a high school graduate from Enverga University, Candelaria.
Candidate number 7.
Candidate number 7 is Mark Lester Latina. He is from Pahinga Norte, 21 years old and an incoming second-year HRM student at Manuel F. Enverga University Foundation.
Candidate number 6.
Candidate number 6 is Mr. Leo Castler Limbo. He is currently studying at the Lyceum of the Philippines University with BS in Marine Transportation, a 5'7" in height and residing at Santa Catalina Sur.
Candidate number 14.
Candidate number 14 is Jerome Chalice. He is a third-year high school student at Manuel S. Enverga University Foundation.
Candidate number 13.
Candidate number 13 is Luisito Dawis Jr. He is 18 years old and currently studying at Manuel S. Enverga University Foundation Incorporated as incoming second-year HRM student, 5'9" in height and from Masalocon, 1.
Candidate number 15.
Candidate number 15 is Reynald Corrales. He is a graduate of BS Computer Science at Manuel S. Enverga Candelaria, 20 years old and residing in Masalocon, 1.
Rounding out the top 8 is candidate number 9.
Candidate number 9 is Jeffrey Chumacera. He is a resident of Masalocon, 1 and a high school graduate from Enverga University.
Thank you very much. Guys, there you have it. In the question and answer portion later on the show.